Hello everybody, and welcome to the next video in my 15 years to launch series. Yes, I have been building a business since 2011. That is when I first started to create lecture videos for YouTube because I was flipping the classroom at that time when I was teaching English because there were so many fundamental skills and information that students needed before I could get them to start writing essays and research papers. So I was having to repeat that information over and over again, which meant I was losing time in the classroom. So I created my YouTube page so that they could watch those videos, get the skills they needed so that they can catch up a little bit faster. So over time, I built a business, online educational business called Onyx Online Education, LLC, and that has been registered with my state. But this year, I finally came up with a brand because I was just using my LLC, onyxedonline.com, to promote my business. But it occurred to me I actually needed a brand. And so that's where Write Well University came forth. I was already using the slogan, Write Well, Speak Well. And I was thinking to myself, listen, I have a whole collection, a whole catalog of courses related to writing and communication skills. This is basically a writing skill university. Aha, Write Well University. So I am rebranding now. One thing that I'm doing at 4:45 in the morning, it is Monday, December the 8th, 2025, and I just felt compelled to create this video. A lot of people are doing Vlogmas, so I'm not actually doing Vlogmas, but I am creating more content showing the behind the scenes of my business building and what I am having to do to officially launch. So what I'm doing right now is I am having to redo or having to create videos, sort of sales videos for my business to business training courses. So let me show you that. Here is my webpage, and if you click B2B training, you will see this is a new something that I put up, an introduction video. But here's what you will see, right? And here's my B2B course catalog. I have 11 courses right now that I am offering. And I'll just show you the rest of the page here. You can always go to writewelluniversity.com and click B2B at the top. Okay, this is what the page looks like right now. So I have all of these individual landing pages for each class. Right now, I've already revised this one. I'll show you what I did. This now is the B2B video. So if you click here, here's my man Byron.
Hi there, and welcome to Grammar Essentials Jumpstart Pro, your team's friendly, judgment-free.
Is that not cool, right? So that you can head over to the website and see that. So now I am working on the next class, and see, I haven't gotten very many done. This is a whole process, as you will see, and I am not editing this video. I'm showing you this in real time. So this is one that I need to revise right now, Proofreading Skill Builder Pro. Pro means that professional, that I'm offering this for B2B. So I need a video for this course. Here is the current description. This is where my friend ChatGPT comes in very handy. So what I have done is to copy and paste this description, right? And I have copied not this, and I also copied this information, right? And I put it into a Microsoft Word document just right quick, and I will show you that. So as you can see, this is the content from that landing page that I copied and pasted. And so I call my virtual assistant, my ChatGPT assistant, Carlo. So I copied and pasted it into Carlo, right? Because I said, hey, I need a video script for this course description. And so Carlo gave me a whole 90-second polished, confident, corporate ready video script that I can use for my avatar, Byron, or it might be Talia. It gave me an opening. Here's the template: pain point plus solution, course value, business impact, what you get, closing call to action. Is this not beautiful? So for those of you who have not been using ChatGPT effectively, come on, this is beautiful. So now I have the script. I'm using HeyGen, not particularly because I like it, but because I can create unlimited videos. So I'm using HeyGen for $29 a month, and I have created templates, one with Byron, one with Talia, right? And so what I am going to do is to hover over create and choose use a template. I'm going to use this template that says B2B course video final because I like this one. Create with new AI Studio. And forgive me if you can hear my washer in the background, because at 4:50 in the morning, I am multitasking. I actually have to get ready to go on a trip. It's an in-state trip to Forest City, Arkansas with my team, my adult education team. And we are having to speak with the directors and the staff at East Arkansas Community College in Forest City, Arkansas. It's going to be an overnight trip, so we have to travel today and then do the actual workshop tomorrow. So I'm also getting ready for that. But here's what I did with the template. So what I would do is to take the opening, right, from what ChatGPT gave me, copy and paste it. Come to HeyGen, copy and paste it on this first slide, right? And I'm just showing you this as an example. Okay, so now I have copied and pasted for Skill Builder Pro, for Proofreading Skill Builder Pro. So I need to make sure that I change the title. Yep, this is in real time. Okay, here we go. Proofreading Skill Builder Pro. Okay, that got it. What I have learned is that I need to put this title in quotation marks, because if I don't, then Byron will sound weird as he's speaking it. I have also come to realize that I need to not use acronyms because Byron will read it as PRO. So I just need to make sure that I keep it title case so that the AI knows that this is the title of the class. And so after I do this, then I will generate the video, but you can preview it. I'll show you that. So here's the preview. And it will take a moment for it to load up and to actually start playing the preview.
Welcome to Proofreading Skill Builder Pro, the training that turns everyday writers into eagle-eyed proofreaders who can spot mistakes before they ever reach your customers, partners, or stakeholders. If your organization values accuracy, professionalism, and clear communication, this is the course that gives your team the tools to protect your brand with confidence.
We all know that unclear writing slows productivity.
Is that not great, right? So when I have completed every slide, then I will generate the video and download it. So once I download the video, I will go to my platform, online platform provider, Thinkific, and I will upload the video. This is the one that I just completed. I'll upload the video here. Then I need to go to the landing page, and this is the one I just completed. Go to the landing page of the class, click video, right? And make sure that I have chosen that video for this class, the B2B video for this class. I created the background image in Canva, right? And I think it's cute. I like it. I was wondering if it looked professional enough, but I like color. This is my brand. This is what it looks like for me. So I had to get out of my head about, does this look professional enough? What, are people going to take me seriously? It looks great. I think it looks absolutely great. And so once I upload the video, I will check it. So I'll go to my home page and click the class. Make sure that it's looking pretty nice, right? So I'm having to do this for every class. This has been days in the making. I have been making changes and upgrading and updating since my last video and I'm trying to show you my checklist. I have a whole checklist that I don't have pulled up right now, but it's like a 3-page long checklist that I have been working on for the past 3 weeks. So when I say I am leading up to launching, there's so many micro steps that goes into rebranding and revising elements of my business. So I'm going to stop here because this is what I need to do for the videos. Next, I'll show you how I need to clean up the SEO and all of that. So anyway, I hope that you have enjoyed watching this short video. Hey, I am a mogul in the making right now after 15 years of persistence. And let me say, there have been times when I have just absolutely felt futile. Like, what is the use in this? It's not really making me any money, but I want to say this to inspire you that when something is burning inside of you to do, that it is something that you absolutely need to release to the world. And this business, listen, I knew when I started teaching college English just a few years ago, because I'm still only 29, I knew that I would be a big name in distance education, online education. I didn't know it would take this long to get here. So right now I am currently the state distance learning coordinator for the Office of Adult Education. But I had no idea back then that I would be building my own online educational business focused on what I could have taught if I had been allowed, meaning I encountered so much resistance, so many behavioral problems in my tenure trying to teach at the college level that I just could not even scratch the surface of what I knew and what I was able to distill into the students. So they only got a drop of what I knew. So along the way, since 2011, I have also written many, many books along with creating these classes just on faith, because like I said, I have not been making any money from it yet, but I believe 2026 is my bamboo growth year, where all of a sudden, after 15 years, here comes my millions. So yes, for someone, I've been told over and over that I quit too soon, that I don't stick with things long enough. I have stuck with this long enough, and this is the last iteration of my business, Rightwell University. Let me show you the homepage. This is the last iteration of it. So that, let me show you this cool thing about this banner here. As I increase the size of my screen, you see more of the banner. As I decrease my screen, the zoom on my screen, you see less of the banner. And what is the word for that? I'll think of it. I will think of the word for that. So anyway, visit rightwelluniversity.com. That's way too big right there. rightwelluniversity.com to see what I've been up to. And listen, you might want to go ahead and take a class. Sign up for a free preview. All of my classes come with a free preview so that you can actually test drive the class before you pay to unlock it. And that's even true for my business to business classes, because I want you to see exactly what you're getting before you spend any money. So again, rightwelluniversity.com. Thank you so much for listening and happy learning.